Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create gig on Fiverr. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Fiverr and open the first website. And then you need to create your account. Then you need to click on my business and click on gigs. And here you can see an option of create a new gig. Click on that. And here you can see, click on that option. So I have already created the gig, so let me select the drafts. Let me delete a draft for first, and after that I'm able to create a new gig. Okay, then you need to click on create a new gig. Okay, so here you can add title, category, search tags, then you can add pricing, description, requirements, gallery, and publish. So this is a process by which you can create gig on Fiverr. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.